And now on to Nikola. Nikola has been struggling ever since that short seller report, rightfully so. But now they're losing another key executive who has been with the company since 2018. He was basically one of the lead people in their fuel cell development and hydrogen fuel cells. Now he's leaving. Essentially what he said is that he left Nikola with the purpose of starting his own new company where he'll be the CEO. And if you look on the guy's LinkedIn profile, he's now listed as the CEO of ZEV Station, a startup that is working on renewable energy powered electric charging and hydrogen fueling station. But this is a pretty big deal that one of the head people, like the head of the hydrogen fuel cell development on the Nikola team, is leaving the company at this moment. And this was the executive vice president of technology, hydrogen, and fuel cells. He left the company on April 1st, and this is a big deal because Nikola, this is a time when they need to be really proving themselves, getting a lot of stations developed, and getting their first vehicles rolled off the line. Otherwise, people are going to lose all trust in this company. Already, there's a lot of people don't trust this company at all, and I'm not too crazy about it myself. But Nikola, their first hydrogen-powered truck is due to go into production in 2023 at their factory in Arizona. And on top of this, the company says that they're already starting to be working on a network of hydrogen fuel cell stations with the aim of building several hundred over the next decade. And installation of the first of these is expected to start this quarter. So with installation just expecting to start within the next, 6 months, even in this quarter, it's very important that they had this person in place. Obviously, in my opinion, the stigma around Nikola Motors right now is just not there. People are not too crazy about the company. And that's why we've been seeing all these executives leave, because they don't want to be tied to the company anymore, in my opinion. I mean, obviously, this guy wants to go start off his own company, do his own thing. But he was already leading the team at Nikola in the exact space where he's building his new company. So we'll see what happens here. Either way, things are not really looking great for Nikola right now. I'm probably not going to change my mind on this stock. I'm not too crazy about it. Only thing that would change my mind is when we start actually seeing vehicles delivered, stations installed, like hydrogen fuel cell stations installed. Until we start seeing stations installed and vehicles delivered, this is just an idea. And a lot of other companies are just around the idea of what they could do in the future. But with Nikola, they've lied to investors already, and things have happened that have lost a lot of trust. So if you're investing on a vision of the future, it relies a lot on trust. And if the company has lied, that's not a good sign. So seeing more executives leave, their founder, Trevor Milton, has been selling millions of shares pretty consistently over the last couple of months. Things just aren't looking great right now. Only thing that will be able to change this around, in my opinion, is if they start to get more and more positive news come out in terms of deliveries. Maybe they see a shorter timeline, or installations, those get pushed sooner. So we'll see what happens there. But